What's going on, everybody? I'm back here, Mike from Slowspeed. In the last video, in the upper right hand corner, whatever side that's on, I decided to go ahead and buy a dash camera and install it. It's a DDpai or DDpai, I'm not sure exactly. That's what it says when you turn it on. I installed that dash camera in my car, but I wanted to actually go around, like show you guys a few clips and like a miniature review on the quality of the dash camera. I had it in for a couple of days, and some of the things that I've noticed about it, which is not much. I mean, it's a dash camera. You really can't get, there's really nothing to differentiate dash cameras, you know, one from the other. I mean, you know, they might have a little bit more features, the other one might have different features. I know instead of this one, it has a super capacitor instead of a battery. I still have yet to figure out, like, what that is. I mean, I know what it is, but I'm just trying to figure out what's the benefit over having the battery. To my knowledge, capacitors or even super capacitors, they don't last that long. So I'm not even sure how long it records when the car is off, or like in parking mode or whatever. Yeah, like I said, overall I like it. It's pretty seamless. You get in, you go. One thing I wish I could do was cancel the noise, because as soon as you get in, I mean, like even like a radar detector, as soon as you get in, it makes like a welcome sound or a welcome voice or whatever. That's kind of annoying, a little cheesy. I wish I could take that off, but we'll see. It's not that big of a deal. Yeah, pretty much straightforward. I'll take you guys around and look at it, and that's pretty much it right now. It's pretty gloomy outside today. I'm not in the best mood actually, but you know, I'm trying to make it work. So yeah, here we go. I'll show you how the dash camera looks inside the car. Like, this cylinder is pretty small. Let me get this thing up. And so here it is. Work with me with the tripod, but here it is right here. It just hangs out right there. It's blinking orange, letting you know that it's recording. I think parking mode is blue. And I will show you the app. See if I can go on the app. Here's the app I'll show you. It's called DDpai, obviously. You click on it, and it has some clips of me driving. And if you want to, I guess, see current, you press play, and you drag. It's a little laggy, but you drag. This is where I am now. See this? It drags. See? Oh, let me turn that music off. But you can see, you can zoom in, and if you want to record these, or like, you know, save this one, you just hit download capture photos or download capture video recorded, and you pretty much press play and pick when you want to start downloading. I'm not going to download this because I don't want to, but you just press start. It goes through the video, and you just stop where you want to stop at. That's pretty much it for the app. The app is pretty good. You take the little snapshots. These are the snapshots that I took with the that button. So basically, it just takes a freeze frame, and if you hold it, it just gets like a 10-second video clip. I have a 32 gigabyte SD card in there. I'm not sure how long or how much video records on that. I just know it keeps looping over, so I guess, like, you know, footage that I didn't need a snapshot, or, you know, the sensor didn't, you know, because the sensor didn't pick up, because it does have like a G-force meter, so I guess whenever someone shakes the car, it hits it real hard, it saves that. You know, those stay on the SD card, but everything else pretty much gets looped over. That's pretty much it for now. I will include the daytime clip first, and then I'll include the nighttime clip tonight, just so you guys can see the quality, and I'll insert them here. Okay, so I'm back. What do you guys think about that? Was it good? Was it bad? I mean, I like it personally. However, I have only looked at it on my iPhone, and it looks pretty clear on my iPhone. I mounted it a little off-center, more on the passenger side, because the mirror, I do have a mirror and the camera sensor in the front of my car, in the middle, so I can't put it exactly in the middle. Luckily, it has a wide angle lens so that I still capture the whole front of the car, even though it's a little bit on the right side. Now, I capture obviously more of the right than the left, but I think it's pretty good of a clear view. If you don't have anything blocking the middle, I suggest by all means block the middle. Another little thing I've noticed in the top is that you see a little bubbles. You guys definitely have checked out the video if you made it this far, but you're gonna see a little bubble on the top. That's pretty much just like the windshield. You know, the windshield bubbles around. I decided to mount mine so high up because I like the sleek look and I don't want it to be super protruding. That's why I mounted it so high up, and I just happened to nick a little bit of the top of the windshield, and that's no biggie for me. Like I said, I still can see I still can see good enough, and you know, if anything goes down, I definitely hope this will record it. I was considering and contemplating getting one for the back, but I think that's a little excessive. I mean, that's more so for parking and to, like, I guess, rear ending. However, but if someone rear ends me, the front camera will definitely pick up the jolt, and I guess it would kind of see that, I don't know, there's nothing in front of me or whatever, I don't know. But I think right now the front camera is perfectly fine. If I want to get a rear, I'll figure out some way to integrate that, or I will purchase a new setup where it has like the both can join into one. But then, like I said, that's getting a little too out of hand, a little too crazy for just a car. You know, and I understand it's very important, but at the end of the day, you know, it's not like a castle or anything. I don't need like 30,000 cameras. But that concludes this whole little review, whatever. It's a little short video. Obviously, I'll be posting this on a Wednesday. And you guys enjoy the rest of the week. And stay tuned for Sunday, around 7, 8-ish, because I will be posting my main video on 7 to 8-ish. And praying all things go right, it will be something with that box. So, let y'all get out of here. You guys enjoy your day. Peace.